Kung nakapag-book na kayo ng flight sa AirAsia, you need to do this first before going to airport. Hi, this is Liz Kalin and welcome to my channel. So today, ituturo ko po sa inyo step by step on how to check in AirAsia. After makapag-book ng flight sa AirAsia, you can now check in to AirAsia apps or website. So guys, makakapag-check-in lang po kayo kung malapit na po ang inyong date of travel. So 3 days before po ng inyong departure time, doon na po kayo pwedeng makapag-check-in sa AirAsia. And here's the step-by-step on how to check in AirAsia. Ayan, so first, i-open nyo po ang inyong Google Apps and search for AirAsia. Ayan, i-click nyo lang po itong AirAsia. Okay, so dito po sa kanilang portal, dito sa taas, i-click nyo po ang check-in. Okay. So, meron po ditong nakalagay na booking number or PNR and ang inyong first name or surname. Okay, so i-check po natin yung ating flight ticket. Ayan, so dito po sa ating flight ticket, nakalagay po yung PNR. Ayan, so sa baba ng PNR, ito po ang inyong ilalagay doon sa website ng AirAsia. Ayan, copy-paste the PNR. Okay, so balik po doon sa AirAsia. And then, paste po ninyo dito. Ayan. And then, ilagay po ninyo ang inyong first name or surname. And then, click search. And then dito, i-click po ang check-in. Okay, so kung meron man po kayong gustong i-add, i-click lang po ang add-ons. Okay, and then kung wala na, i-click na po ang check-in. So there you go. So as you can see, ayan, nakalagay po ang ating names dito sa AirAsia at hindi pa po siya nakaka-check-in. Ayan. So, i-click nyo lang po itong box dito sa left side. Ayan, i-click nyo lang po yung mga box na hindi naka-check-in. Okay, and then scroll down. And then, after that, i-click ang continue. Okay, so basahin niyo po muna to bago po mag-proceed. And then, after mabasa, i-click lang po ang yes, I agree. Okay, i-click again. Yes, I agree. Okay, so there you go. You're already checked in. Ayan. And then, para makuha po ang inyong boarding pass, ayan, scroll down. Okay, so dito po sa right side, may nakalagay na e-boarding pass. Ayan, so i-click nyo lang po yan. Ayan. So, ito po yung itsura ng inyong e-boarding pass. Okay, so nakalagay po dito yung inyong name, flight departure, and ang inyong gate number. After checking in AirAsia, you can get now your boarding pass. Pwede nyo po itong i-download and i-print or pwede nyo po itong kunin doon sa check-in counter. Take note lang po guys, kailangan po nakaprinted po ang inyong mga boarding pass dahil hahanapin po ito ng mga staff doon sa airport. At kapag meron na po kayong nakaprinted na boarding pass, no need na pong dumaan doon sa mismong check-in counter. Unless kung meron po kayong dalang 20 kilograms or 40 kilograms and so on. And that's it for today, guys. Kung meron po kayong question or gustong i-share regarding on this topic, don't hesitate na mag-comment sa comment section. And once again, this is Liz Kalim. Thank you for watching. God bless and see you on my next vlog.
It's not a game, it's a